Hey y'all, so today I'm making a really easy but super delicious brunch casserole. I've got 12 eggs. I've got a whole dozen eggs in here and I'm adding a half cup of heavy cream. To that we're adding 1 spoonful of, I'm using Grey Poupon black pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm using this buttery steakhouse, but you can use any other kind of like steakhouse seasoning. And we're gonna give this a quick mix. Got a greased 9x13 pan. I'm gonna be adding an entire bag of these frozen grains. We're gonna be topping it with this, I love this like Meat Lovers. It's got sausage and bacon. We're also gonna be adding a bag of cubed ham. These are red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper. Let's go ahead and toss these across the top. We're gonna come back with our liquid that we made earlier. And our final layer is this. You can use whatever cheese you want. This is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Look at how puffy this is. A little bit of extra parsley right on top and some extra chives. Oh my goodness, do you see that? Mm-hmm.